blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus.
Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray
And
for
at
us
Saint
sinners,
Pio,
now and at the hour of our death.
we'll hear
Hail
Mass.
Mary, full of grace,
Happy
the
birthday,
Lord is
Jesus.
with thee. Blessed my Jesus, pray for us sinners. Saint Joseph,
Hello, Saint Pio. I'm here at your back. These are candles being offered. Lord, heal those who offered some candles. Thank you. These rosaries are answered prayers. Those who have their prayers answered will place the rosary here as a symbol of thanks.